Welcome, here I've got Essential BHU60 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to focus on this settings bar and just simply go to the left to more, so we get access to more modes of this camera and also this left button. Now let's pick it to open the advanced camera settings. And here in the general category, at the third position we can find the grid lines, so by using the button from the right we can turn them on and off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and in the preview we have these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real photo, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to more, then to the left button and use the grid button from the right to turn them off. So for now in the preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.